What? No. Do it now. So we're putting the charcoal in that. Somebody has to. Mama can't. Mama can't. Yes, she can. No. Yes, she can. She's making notes. She's taking a video. Mama, can you light the cube? I can't. Okay, we're putting the thing on the lighter cube. We're putting the chimney on the we're putting the chimichanga on the lighter cube. There. On top of the lighter.
I šta pravite?
Hamburgers. Yes, burgers.
And kako se zove vaši society?
Smoker Society. Right now we're gonna put some hickory smoked sea salt from Smoke Bomb Spices on our hamburgers. Now we just put our salt on our hamburgers. Now we're gonna go back outside and then wait for all the charcoal to catch on fire, and then we'll take the charcoal and put it under, and then we will put the hamburgers on and then cook them and eat them.
Šta radiš?
So I'm taking this off, and well, yeah. Just gonna get this stuff off.
No, prvo.
I'm going to pick this, gonna drop the clothes in here, and then I'm gonna put this back on, and then I'm gonna clean it. It is actually nice. See ya. So we've got 3 burgers with hickory smoked sea salt by Smoke Bomb Spices, and another one with the same salt, and then I added another spice for me, and go to the grill. I can already smell the deliciousness. We're back, and we will flip these over. And then my special one. Ooh, that looks good. Do that one, that one's mine. Do this one. Alright. Do
Nikola,
that.
pazi tvoje noge.
Don't flip it over again.
Vlade, ostavi tako.
You said flip it over again. I said
On
don't.
kaže nemoj.
Do this one, Avi. I said to do it here. Okay.
Izvadi sir, stavi sir na dve.
I put one on mine. Just went over our burgers, and now we're gonna put some cheese on them. Yep. That's hot. I need this spatula. What are you doing? Put my hand over here a little bit. Now we're gonna cover it so the cheese will melt. So we're gonna cover it, and then while we wait for the cheese to melt, we're gonna get out the plates, and the buns, and the condiments like onions, ketchup, mustard, pickles, or anything. And then we're gonna serve it to our grandpa and tata. Oh, no, not that one. These two. Go for them. Wait, that's it. These two are also melted.
Yeah, just give.
This one was dripping cheese. This one has its own room.
Ok. Sad pokrijemo i zatvorimo. Pokaži šta radiš.
Now we just got the burgers off. So now we're gonna, now I just closed that. So now we're gonna go inside and make the burgers with the buns and stuff. So we're back in the house. I'm cutting my pickles to put on my hamburger. And then I'm gonna have, if we do, I'll add some. And gonna put some pickles on here. I'm gonna have some pickles myself. Pickle. This isn't actually open. See if it's open by nothing. Oh, yeah, it's open. Wow. Oh my god. That is a freaking... That's mustard alright. Oh, yeah. Disappointment. Dad and my brother, which Vlad, whatever. Vladi.